So this is a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and maybe you should consider to switch to this one here. But let's find out. So all of the Samsung phone right now, the currently released one came out with the Galaxy AI. So it's one of the amazing integration things they have. So this is Samsung S25. This is how it's look like. You can see it's good, pretty fantastic design. Just the same thing as the previous one, but there are maybe some small modifications here. So this is Samsung Galaxy S25, and so you can see there are a bunch of options when it comes to cameras here. You can just switch here from this to this camera here. You can switch different cameras depending on your options, which one you should go with. So this is how it look like. So there are like here you can see about 7 different colors. So it's up to you to choose which one. But also when you want to make things like comparison with the previous Samsungs, you can see let's compare this one with the maybe S23. So in terms of thickness, this one is quite small, but also in terms of weight, it's small. So it's pretty fantastic here. But also another fantastic things you can have with Samsung Galaxy S25 is, a titanium frame which keeps your Galaxy S25 Ultra strong and protected. So you always have peace of mind. But also, you know, they have something, they have pretty fantastic glass screen. So a touch screen is beautiful. But also, one of the amazing things is that they have water and dust resistance because they use kind of IP68 rated water and dust resistance technology to keep your Galaxy awesome. As I said, the integration with the Galaxy AI is one of the amazing things they have in their phones because you can use AI to make all the things pretty simple and fantastic. So, but also let me show you one of the amazing things you can do with the AI because you need only to press, you need to talk and let it down. So like this one here, you see the video maybe on YouTube or another platform. So you can just take a screenshot and you can talk to the AI, maybe list the places, or you can ask AI to describe and get it done. For example, for this video here, you can see, you just see the video on the YouTube and they talk to AI. Okay, list all of the places mentioned in the video and save it as a note. So you can see AI is gonna make some simple task and it's gonna make it all the work done for you. So this is very simple and fantastic. But also you can have live answers using AI. Maybe you open a document like this one here. You can ask AI to do all the things for you. Maybe you can say, okay, why don't you read this for me? Start this one here, and I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, maybe to make this things easier because maybe to read it by yourself is kind of hard. Another things here, you can see this is how AI, the integration of AI make these things easier for you. You can see here, for example, you can have the morning brief of your day, the midday brief, and evening brief, and you can see here it's pretty fantastic and awesome. So this is one of the best options. Maybe you should consider it depending on all of these features here I mentioned about. When it comes to filters, they have a bunch of filters which are also kind of AI integration. As you can see here, you can choose whichever you want, but because AI is there, so things become much easier now. But also your own personal health costs, because we all know that Samsung, Samsung watches, Samsung Galaxy watches came with these kind of functionalities which are gonna help you with tracking your health things and become like a personal health coach. But also, so now we can make it the kind of integration between your Samsung Galaxy S25 with your Samsung Galaxy watch. But also one of the amazing things is that they help you to filter out the background noise from your video or audio from your video with the technology they call it audio eraser. So Galaxy AI is amazing and it's gonna do all these things for you. You don't need to be maybe a professional editor. So but also another things here you can see maybe you see something on the internet, or all you need to do, and you don't know, maybe you have to get some more information about it. You can circle it like this one here, and AI is gonna make you, it's gonna let you know what it is, maybe, or if you wanna ask more question, you can go. But also maybe you have some kind of favorite music, but you don't know who song that's kind of thing, who is the owner of that song. So you can just let AI listen, and it's going to give you the answer. So it's pretty fantastic and very cool, guys. But also, we all know when it comes to security, they also have fantastic things. As you can see here, they offer you on-device protection, but also they want to make sure that all of your personal details are, are security are secured properly using the high technology, because we all know that one of the pretty fantastic things you need to have, you need to make sure that your personal data is pretty sure secure. But also, they because they have pretty fantastic cameras, they can take a pretty amazing videos like this one here. This is why video captured with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So uh Ultra S25, something amazing. This is a quality of the video. And so yeah, I think it's so good. But also you can take a look of the images taken by the Samsung S25 Ultra. So all of these are images here, which you can make some like shift. For example, here they say you can capture the extraordinary in the ordinary with precision details, macro shows on the camera, the camera like this one here. So all of these are here are images, but also you can shift your images in different angles. For example, this one here. So they have, yeah, wonderful camera. You can shift it in different angles. And what it comes to zooming, you can see the zooming capability. It's not that something I think they should keep more improving, but up to now it's fantastic. Maybe because there are much competition in the market. Maybe we should consider maybe kind of iPhone phones. So maybe the next time I think it's gonna be much better than this. But up to here is it's amazing. But also when you take your photo, you gotta make it shoot like a professional, because they allow you to adjust kind of lightening after taking your pictures. And but also when you have the video, you can take the video and let AI make some amazing editing for you. Something amazing. This is how you can do with the Samsung S25 Ultra. So but also, if you are really into business, then they have something for you to they have something for you, which is pretty good as well. They say, you know what, you can complete multiple tasks with the single ask key to providing the helpful tips based on your day. So S25 sales is better for your business as well. So this uh the quick review of the Samsung S25 Ultra. So I hope you get something new here, and maybe you should consider yourself if this is a better option for you. It's quite expensive, but this is how